Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through the best iPhone app for offline music. So the best iPhone apps for offline music is first, YouTube Music. Key features: download songs for offline listening with a free trial, or YouTube Premium subscription. Curated playlist and personalized recommendations. Integrates music videos and audio seamlessly. Next app is AudioMac. Key features: access to free music downloads for offline playback, a wide variety of genres including hip hop, EDM, and reggae, offline playback without the need for a subscription. So now we're going to tackle the AudioMac for this. AudioMac stands out as a free and user-friendly app for downloading and listening to music offline. So here's how to use the AudioMac app. First, download and install. Search for AudioMac on the App Store and install it. Once installed, tap on Open. Create an account or log in with your existing credentials. Next, explore music. Browse through the trending songs, playlists, or genres in Discover tab, and tap on one of them, so choose hip hop. Next, download for offline use. Tap on any song or album, hit the download icon to save it for offline playback. Next, access offline music. Now go back, go to My Library on the bottom right corner, go to the download section within the app to find your downloaded music, and once you find it, you can listen to your songs offline. And that's all for now folks, thanks for watching.